Now, basic proportionality theorem, that is called BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Our statement is that, and question is that, to prove that if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. This is the statement. Okay. If a line parallel to a side of a triangle, if say points tak, that is called if part, and then the line divides the sides in the same proportion, that is called then part. Means if part is called given and then part is called to prove part. Okay. So in this given part, if a line parallel to a side of a triangle, means this is a triangle. Okay, this triangle A, B, C. In this triangle, if a line parallel to a side of a triangle, if a line parallel means one line is parallel to side of the triangle, any side of the triangle, then we take line L, this is line L is parallel to the one side of triangle, that is BC, means line L parallel to side BC. By using statement, if a line parallel to line L, this line is parallel to side BC, side of a triangle, and this line L intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points. Okay, line L parallel to side BC, and this line L intersect another two sides at point P and Q. At point P and Q, this is the intersecting point of side AB and side AC. Means line L intersect the side AB at point P, and line L intersect the side AC at point Q. This is the given part. This is the if part, means given part. Okay. So if a line parallel to a side of a triangle, means line L is parallel to a side of triangle BC. Okay. And intersect the remaining sides, and the line L intersect the remaining two sides at point P and Q respectively. Okay, this is the given part. Then, and from then remaining parts is called to prove part, means this is the antecedent part. If part is called as antecedent part, and then part is called as consequent part. So write here given in mathematical form. Okay, this is the theory form. Write in mathematical form. Given if a line parallel to a side of a triangle, which is the line L. So in triangle ABC, which line is parallel to side BC? The line L parallel to side BC. Okay. Then parallel to a side of a triangle. Again, intersect the remaining sides, means line L intersects. Again write here line L intersect AB, intersects side AB at point P, and side AC at point Q respectively. This is the given. Okay. And this given, right, from if part. If a line parallel to a side, means line L parallel to side BC, and line L intersects side AB at point P and side AC at point Q respectively. This is the given part. Then to prove part. Given, then to prove. Okay. टू प्रूव मीन्स देन पार्ट. देन के बाद वाला टू प्रूव में लिखना है, बट मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में. देन द लाइन डिवाइड्स. क्या किया इस लाइन ने? ये ए बी एंड ए सी के टू पार्ट्स किए. ए बी के टू पार्ट्स कौन से हो गए? एक पार्ट हो गया ए पी, सेकेंड पार्ट इज पी बी. लाइन ए सी के टू पार्ट्स, एक वन पार्ट इज ए क्यू एंड सेकेंड पार्ट इज क्यू सी. सो ये दोनों पार्ट. देन द लाइन डिवाइड्स द साइड्स इन द सेम प्रपोर्शन. दोनों भी पार्ट सेम प्रपोर्शन में है, मीन्स सेम रेशियो में है, इक्वल रेशियो में है. सो वी कैन राइट टू प्रूव AP upon PB, AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. Means the line divides the sides in the same proportion. Line divides the sides. line ने AB को कौन से पार्ट में डिवाइड किया, AP और PB में. So we can take ratio of these two parts, AP upon PB same proportion is equal to AQ upon QC. This is to prove. Then construction, third part is construction. विदाउट कंस्ट्रक्शन ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होगा, थ्योरम सॉल्व नहीं होगा. इसलिए कंस्ट्रक्शन, ड्रॉ और जॉइंट सेग पीसी. एंड जॉइंट सेग BQ. Okay. Joint seg PC and joint seg BQ. Right here in construction. Construction, draw or joint. Draw seg PC and seg BQ. And seg BQ. Then our proof. Given to prove construction. This is the part of the theorem. Given first we have to write given, then we have to write to prove, then we have to write construction if necessary. Okay, and then last part is proof. This is the main part, proof. Okay, in this triangle, line L parallel to side BC. Okay. First we have to take triangle APQ and triangle PQB. Okay. Concentrate on these two triangles, triangle APQ and triangle PQB here. PQB, these triangles APQ and triangle PQB. In this triangle APQ and triangle PQB, here common vertex is Q and their bases. Triangle APQ and triangle PQB, here common vertex is Q and their bases lies on the same line. Therefore their heights are equal. इस ये दो ट्राइंगल में APQ में और PQB में बेस कौन सा है, यहाँ पर AP और PB. हाइट दिख रही है यहाँ पे, हाइट नहीं दिख रही है वहाँ पर. अगर हाइट नहीं दिख रही है तो उसका मतलब है वहाँ पर हाइट इक्वल है. तो हाइट कैसे इक्वल आ गई यहाँ पे? तो क्या है, ये दो ट्राइंगल में सेम एक वर्टेक्स है, कॉमन वर्टेक्स Q, और उसका अपोजिट बेसिस रहते हैं. उसके अपोजिट क्या है, AP और PB, बोथ आर बेसिस एंड बोथ बेसिस लाइज ऑन द सेम लाइन. वो एक ही लाइन पर है. सो दैट हाइट्स विल बी इक्वल. ओके, सो राइट डाउन हियर. अगर हाइट इक्वल है तो फिर रेशियो कौन सा लेना पड़ेगा, तो रेशियो लेना पड़ेगा उसके बेस का, बिकॉज यहाँ पर हाइट इक्वल है बाय यूजिंग प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, बाय यूजिंग प्रॉपर्टी रेशियो विल बी इट्स बेसिस. सो इन ट्राइंगल APQ and APQ and PQB and triangle PQB. Here in triangle APQ and triangle PQB, heights are equal, their heights are equal. Therefore we take ratio of their bases. Therefore area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB equal to, basis is AP and PB. So we take a ratio AP upon PB. AP upon PB, equation number 1, and reason is that triangles having since triangles having equal heights और एरियाज प्रोपोर्शनेट टू देयर बेसिस. एक तो ये वाला रीजन लिखो, नहीं तो फिर तुम्हारे टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया है एरियाज प्रोपोर्शनेट टू देयर बेसिस. यहाँ पर एरिया कैसे लिया है, बेसिस का लिया है, इसलिए रीजन आएगा एरियाज प्रोपोर्शनेट टू देयर बेसिस. ओके, देन सेम मेथड अभी लिया था ए पी क्यू और पी क्यू बी में, अब चेक करना है ए पी क्यू में और पी क्यू सी में. हियर डायग्राम in triangle APQ and triangle PQC. Here common vertex is P and base of triangle APQ is AQ and base of triangle PQC is QC. So their bases lies on the same line. Therefore their heights are equal. Then we take ratio of their bases. Okay. So second, in triangle APQ and PQC. In triangle APQ and triangle PQC, their heights are equal. और हाइट्स कैसे इक्वल होगी मैंने अभी आपको बताया. हाइट्स आर इक्वल, सो we take a ratio of their bases. So area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC equal to AQ upon QC, because AQ is the base of triangle APQ and QC is the base of triangle PQC and QC. Equation number 2, and write down here reason. Reason is that triangles having equal heights, same reason. Reason is that triangles having equal heights. Okay. Then next, third part, that is line L parallel to side BC. Okay. So in this triangle PQB and triangle PQC, both triangles lie between two parallel lines. दोनों भी ट्राइंगल है दो पैरेलल लाइन के बिटवीन है, इसलिए उसकी हाइट हो जाएगी इक्वल. ओके, बिकॉज टू पैरेलल लाइंस बिटवीन टू पैरेलल लाइंस देयर हाइट्स आर इक्वल, उसके बीच वाली हाइट हो जाएगी इक्वल. मीन्स लाइन एल इज पैरेलल टू साइड बी सी, देयरफॉर हाइट्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल पी क्यू बी एंड ट्राइंगल पी क्यू सी बोथ हाइट्स आर इक्वल. देन उसके बाद बेस ऑफ ट्राइंगल पी क्यू बी इज पी क्यू and height of and base of triangle PQC is PQ. Also their bases equal. So if heights are equal and bases are equal, then their areas also equal. Then third part is line L parallel to side BC. Okay, triangle PQB and triangle PQC lies between two parallel lines. Lies between two parallel lines. Therefore, their heights are equal. Also base PQ are same, therefore their area also equal. Their heights are equal, also their bases are same, therefore their area also equal. So therefore area of triangle PQC equal to area of triangle PQB equal to area of triangle PQC. Equation number 3, and reason is that triangles having equal base and equal height. Triangles having equal bases and equal heights. Okay, their bases and heights are equal, so their area also equal. From equation 1, 2 and 3. Here, put APQ equal to upon PQB. So, put here PQB equal to PQC. Okay, then from equation 1, 2 and 3. Area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB, but from equation 3 we can put area of triangle PQB equal to area of triangle PQC. So put here PQB equal to PQC. Okay, then from equation 1 and 3, from equation 1 and 3, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC equal to AP upon PB इक्वेशन नंबर 4. ओके, क्या क्या यहाँ पर से PQB की जगह PQC पुट कर दिया, बाकी एज इट इज. अब फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2 and 4, APQ upon PQC, APQ upon PQC, LHS will be equal, then RHS also equal. Then from equation 2 and 4, from equation 2 and 4, we can write AP upon PB. AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. And this is our proof. Okay. So this is the proof. Then last, you can write statement of theorem BPT and hence proved.